The 1026th Ịgụarọ Ndi Igbo 2025 AD. Address from Ezendi, delivered by the Regent Prince Ikenna Onyesoh, BUTE. With great pleasure in my heart, I, Prince Ikenna Onyesoh, BUTE, the Regent of Ancient Kingdom, on behalf of His Majesty Ezendi Onyesoh, MFR.JP Nrienwalana II, the custodian of Igbo culture and tradition, keeper of our Ndi Igbo in the Igbo ancestral homeland Nri, and the supreme head of Igbo traditional religion. Ezendi Council, Ndi Izueze, and the Nri community welcome you all to your roots as we celebrate the 1026th Ịgụarọ Ndi Igbo 2025 AD and the 37th anniversary of Ezendi Nrienwalana II on the Nri throne. Some may wonder why it is the divine mandate of Ezendi to proclaim the Igbo lunar calendar. Out of the children of Eri, only Nri, the first son, had a dynasty. Ezendi introduced the 4 market days, Ekeoya for Nkwo, of which had their originating shrines in Nri. Wherever you find them in Igbo land, they are installed by Nri priests, who are agents of Ezendi. Through divine inspiration, it was revealed to Ezendi the system of counting the year, Aro, which also has originating shrines in the ancient kingdom. You will therefore find through all the time that there is only one genuine Ịgụarọ all over Igbo land, and this takes place in Nri. It falls in the middle of February, the second month in the Roman calendar. Ịgụarọ is never a January event because Igbos are neither Romans nor British. Any Ịgụarọ celebrated out of the scope as initiated by Ezendi and his anthrogens is fake. Nri is a street of gods through which all who die in Igbo land pass on to the land of the spirit. While welcoming you to this holy city of Nri, we must not fail to remind the world of the contributions of Nri civilization to Igbo nation. Nri through Ezendi gave the Igbos also title taken to assuage the ego of accomplishers. Nri introduced yam to Igbo agricultural cycle. Nri regulated and regulates the Igbo traditional system of worshiping God, cleansing the earth of abominations and taboos and settling disputes between warring Igbo communities. Nri introduced commerce in Igbo nation, using cowries as a medium for exchange. Nri, through his mystic knowledge, introduced use of herbs to cure illnesses. Ezendi stopped slave trade, killing of twins, and abolition of Osuka's system. Ezendi introduced native system of government in Igbo social cultural life, using other title holders and age grades to enforce regulations. If Nri had not kept faith with culture and traditions of Igbo nation, we don't know what we could have been. We don't know what could have been our situation in the community of nations. In era of cultural reawakening, Ndi Igbo, let us give some pride of place and honor to Ịgụarọ Ndi Igbo, which is the oldest culture in Nigeria. After Ịgụarọ, approximately within 4 days, 1 native week, but certainly not more than 3 native weeks, Izuato, you have the first rainfall, which signals planting season. In 1732, it took the bravery of 4 slaves who were Nri, Mburichi, Ndiburichi, in Ambrose Madison's plantation in Montepala, Virginia, to set free 1685 African slaves. This freedom was recorded as the first slave emancipation in South America.